Morning children. Today we are continuing the exercise 6.5. Lesson question 1. PQR is a triangle, right angled at P, and M is a point on QR such that PM perpendicular to QR show that PM square is equal to QM into MR. PM square is equal to QM into MR. For that, we consider triangle QMP and QPR. Solution: in triangle QMP and triangle QPR. First, angle QMP. This angle is right angle QMP and QPR. These two triangles, angle QMP. This angle QMP. QMP is equal to QPR. Angle QPR, each is 90 degree. Reason: PM is perpendicular to QR. Then which angle is common? This angle Q is common for QMP and QPR. Angle Q is equal to angle Q common. Therefore, triangle QMP is similar to triangle QPR by AA similarity criterion. And again, consider triangle PMR and QPR. Again, in triangle PMR and triangle QPR, PMR, this angle PMR is equal to QPR. First, angle PMR is equal to angle QPR. Then which angle is common? Angle R is common for QPR and PMR. So, angle R is equal to angle R common. First one is each is 90. Therefore, triangle PMR is similar to triangle QPR by AA similarity criterion. Take our first, this is 1 and this is 2. From 1 and 2, triangle QMB similar to triangle QPR. Again, triangle PMR similar to triangle QPR. Therefore, we have triangle QMP similar to triangle PMR. Triangle QMP similar to triangle PMR. What is its corresponding sides? QM by PM is equal to PM by RM. Implies PM into PM. PM square is equal to QM into RM. PM square is equal to QM into RM. Second question. Question number 2. In figure, ABD is a triangle right angled at A and AC perpendicular to BD show that 1. AB square is equal to BC into BD 2. AC square is equal to BC into DC 3. AD square is equal to BD into CD. In figure is given. See, ABD is a triangle, a right angle at A, and AC perpendicular to BD. AC perpendicular to BD. Show that one AB square is equal to BC into BD. 1. To prove AB square is equal to BC into BD. First we take the triangle. To prove one, we take triangle BAC and triangle BDA. Consider triangle BAC and BDA. Then which are the commons? Which are the equals? First angle A, BAC. This angle is equal BAC. This angle is equal to angle BAC is equal to angle BAD. BAC is equal to angle BAD. Sorry. Consider triangle BAC and BDA. BAC, BDA. This angle BAD. Angle BAD is for triangle BDA, and which is the angle? This angle ACB. For BAC, angle ACB is equal to angle BAD is equal to 90 degree. Each is 90 degree. That is given. Then which angle is common? This angle B is common for both the triangles. Angle B is equal to angle B common. Therefore, triangle BAC is similar to triangle BDA. Comparing its sides, AB by DB is equal to BC by BA. Cross multiplication. AB into BA is AB square is equal to DB into BC. That is first. AB square is equal to DB into BC or BD into BC. First is over. Then second question. AC square is equal to BC into DC. For that AC square, consider the triangle ACB and ACB and DCA. In triangle ACB and triangle DCA. ACB. This angle is 90. DCA. These two angles are 90. Angle ACB is equal to angle DCA is equal to 90 degree. This is given. Then which angle is common? This angle C is common for both the triangles. Angle C is equal to angle C common. Therefore, triangle ACB is similar to triangle DCA by AA similarity criterion. Then comparing its sides, what we have to prove? AC square. So AC by DC is equal to here AC. CB by This is BC by AC. So cross multiplication, AC square is equal to DC into BC. AC square is equal to DC into BC. Then third question. Question number 3. AD square is equal to BD into CD. AD square is equal to BD into CD. To prove AD square is equal to BD into CD. For that, we take the triangle ADB and triangle CDA. ADB and CDA. Angle ADB and CDA, which is common, first angle D is equal to angle D, common. Next 90 degree, which is the 90 degree angle DAB for ADB. ADB, this angle is 90. Angle DAB is equal to, for next triangle CDA, CDA, this angle is DCA is equal to 90, equals 90. Therefore, triangle ADB is similar to triangle CDA by AA similarity criterion. Therefore, AD by, this is AD, CD. Here, we have to prove that AD square. So, we write AD into AD square. Here, AD, so BD. Then cross multiplication, AD square is equal to CD into BD. AD square is equal to CD into BD or BD into CD. Now, question number 3. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at C prove that AB square is equal to 2AC square. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle right angled at C. Right angled at C. ABC is an isosceles triangle, means AC is equal to BC. AC equals BC. Given it is an isosceles triangle. Right angled at C, also this angle C is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, what is hypotenuse AB square is equal to AC square plus BC square equals AC square plus, what is BC? Length AC and BC are equal. So, we can write AC square plus AC square again. Why? AC is equal to BC. Therefore, AC square plus AC square is 2AC square. AB square is equal to 2AC square. Question number 4. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC is equal to BC If AB square is equal to 2AC square, prove that ABC is a right triangle. Right triangle. ABC is an isosceles triangle. Right angle, that's C. ABC is an isosceles triangle, means AC is equal to BC, and right angle, that's C. If given AB square is equal to 2AC square, given, prove that ABC is a right triangle. We have to prove that ABC is right triangle. Only given AB square is equal to 2AC square. AB square is equal to 2AC square means AC square plus AC square. But given AC is equal to BC. Therefore, AC square plus, we can change this AC square to BC. Since AC is equal to BC, given it is an isosceles triangle, so its two sides are equal. That means AB square is equal to AC square plus, BC square. AC square plus BC square. In a triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Then the angle opposite to the first side is a right angle. Therefore, angle C is equal to 90 degree by converse of Pythagoras theorem. Converse of Pythagoras theorem. Question number 5. ABC is an equilateral triangle of side 2A. Find each of its altitudes. Question: ABC is an equilateral triangle. A, B, C. All sides are equal. Equilateral triangle, and its altitude is AD. AB. This AC is equal to BC is equal to AC2A. These three sides are equal and it is equal to 2A. Find the altitude. We have to find AD is the question. For that, what is given here? We have a triangle. We have an equilateral triangle ABC. We have an equilateral triangle ABC in which AB is equal to BC is equal to AC equals to A. Let us draw AD perpendicular to BC. AD perpendicular to BC, so that AD is the altitude. AD is the altitude. Here, consider triangle. First, we have to prove that this full length is BC. So, we have to prove that this two BD and DC are equal. For that, we take these two triangles ADB and ADC and prove that it is similar. So it is congruent. So its corresponding sides are equal. For that, so we can write this is full BC is full 2A. If we prove these two triangles are congruent, we can write BD is equal to CD is equal to A. For that, listen, first we prove these two triangles are congruent. Consider triangle ADB and triangle ADC. Then what is angle ADB is equal to angle ADC is equal to 90 degree. Then ADB, ADC, these two angles are 90 degree and the side, these two sides, AB is equal to AC and also AD is equal to, this is given and AD is equal to AD, reason common. Therefore, these two triangles are, therefore triangle ADB is congruent to triangle ADC. Reason side this angle, this is hypotenuse, so we can use hypotenuse, side and this angle RHS theorem. Therefore AD is equal to we have to prove that DB is equal to CD. DB is equal to DC. CP, CT, corresponding parts of congruent triangles. But given DB, therefore DB equals DC equals 2A by 2 is equal to A. So BDA, DC, A. Our question is we have to find this AD. This side is A and this side is 2A. This ADB is a right angled triangle. What is AD? AD square. AD is equal to square root of AB square minus BD square equals square root of AB 2A whole square minus BD A square equals square root of 2A whole square is 2 square 4A square minus A square is equal to square root of 4A square minus A square is 3A square. Square root of 3A square means root 3 and A square take outside A. Root 3A or A root 3 units. Therefore, our question is find its altitude. Altitude is equal to A root 3 units. Thank you.